Hey guys, Adam here, coming from the UK on a Sunday morning. I thought I'd give you a little update on Celsius. First of all, though, I just want to say a thank you to everyone that's subscribed to the channel so far. We're up to 28 subscribers now. Obviously, it's a brand new channel. We're here to teach free crypto. Our mission is to help people learn crypto totally free, and get the right advice. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment and just cross this road a minute. Stay with me. So today I thought I'd do a little update on Celsius. So just wrote a few notes down. So for me, like I said, if you don't know, I had 7 figures on Celsius at one point. I pulled most of it off in May. I don't know what it was. I went to the blockchain Paris summit. I met Alex Mashinsky, had a one-to-one with him. He seems like a nice guy. I did like Celsius's mission. I still like Alex Mashinsky. Obviously, it's just a shame what's happened right now with Celsius. Luckily, I had a good chat with Dan Tapiero when I was in Paris. And I don't know what it was. I just trusted my gut. And I came off Celsius pretty much. I left about $25,000 on there. So most of my chain links on there. I pulled off my Ethereum, Bitcoin. So that's the main thing. Obviously, it's not good to lose money. But, at the end of the day, I'd rather lose a small percentage than a big percentage. So let me just turn this around. So what's happened here? There we go. So, I thought I'd cover a few things. So like I said, for me, it's a dilemma. It is a financial loss. And as long as you learn from it, it doesn't matter. It's all about learning from your mistakes and moving forward. We don't know Celsius is done yet anyway. There's a lot of FUD around now. So I just got a few notes here. Bear with me. So obviously, I did a video on Back to the Future yesterday. And what they're saying is about basically protecting the depositors first. So obviously Simon's first priority is to protect the depositors. Like I said, I'm a Bank to the Future customer as well. I'm all for protecting the depositors, but the issue is, can they do it in time? It needs to be done fast. Obviously, there's a lot of FUD going around now, but we don't know what's true and what's not. There's a story of Goldman Sachs going around. The Goldman Sachs are going to buy out Celsius for $2 billion. This is a distressed asset right now. Obviously, it's a good time to be buying distressed assets right now. This is what I'm saying. Buy Bitcoin now, even though Bitcoin might go lower. You don't know that. Nobody knows. Don't listen to the gurus. Just if you believe in it, buy it. Don't put everything into it. Just dollar cost averaging monthly. I say I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own due diligence. But I can only tell you what I'm doing. From my own perspective. With regard to Celsius, I'm waiting for an actual announcement from Celsius rather than listening to all the FUD now. Obviously, I like Simon Dixon. He's a good guy. But obviously, he's a shareholder in Celsius as well. So he's an early investor. But he doesn't know the answer. Obviously, he signed an NDA as well, so there's only certain information he can give us. Obviously, he's pushing for the Bank to the Future deal, which I think is the best deal for us right now. If you're a depositor on Celsius, we need to try and protect our deposits if we can, and get our money out. And then obviously it leads me to, then I wrote another note down here. So obviously, ask yourself, at the moment, we've had the worst news going. Cell token is still flying. Obviously, there's a short squeeze going on right now. Personally, myself, I'm staying away from all that. I'm not touching that. And obviously, if Celsius do find a way out of this and they do recover, what's the first thing? The first thing that's going to happen, everyone's going to go to FTX. Everyone's going to dump Cell. And just be careful. Just be careful. It's up to you. Just obviously understand the risks. This is an unregulated market, and don't risk more than you're willing to lose. Obviously, I hope Celsius survives, like I said. Obviously, the stories of City Group getting involved now by, they've been appointed by Celsius. Obviously, Nexo put an offer forward to buy out Celsius as well. Like I said, I'm just waiting for Celsius to talk direct to us and let's find out what's going on. Obviously, like I said, there's a lot of FUD going around, so we can only speculate. I trust Simon Dixon, but none of us know right now, so just be careful of that and understand the risks. I was looking for my balance earlier. I think my balance is about $25,000 on Celsius now. Yeah, but hope that helps, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like and comment. Let's get talking. If you don't agree with my opinion, or you can offer something of value. It's like I said, its mission is to help people into crypto, totally free. Try and stay away from all the nonsense, all the scams, all the shit coins. Yeah. So hope you enjoy, guys, and catch you later.